to compose songs. Absolutely beautiful. So for you guys streaming at home and for our live audience there, it's that magical halfway point. So I think the temperature's pretty good, but I reckon that with a huge round of applause, we could probably go up just a couple of degrees because it is time for our second act of the evening. Would you please welcome, thoroughly welcome to the stage, none other than Kirrah Amosa.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, live in your lounge. Welcome to the islands. Oh, the world is going bananas. I'm just trying to escape all the drama. Come with me where the weather is warmer. I'll be nice like an island breeze. You can climb up the coconut trees. Bang my drum, baby, nice and easy. Put it down, babe. I won't ever let you down, babe. Back it up and turn me around, babe. I just want to shake the ground, babe. It's okay, we can party today. Make my bed rock, making it sway. If you like it here, you can stay, baby, stay. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. We'll be keeping it up tonight. Come and dance on me like. Back it up, say. Daylight come with me, no wanna go home. Daylight come with me, come on now. Oh, you got me going bananas. Stay the night, you don't need no pajamas. Just the sun and the ear, lava. Hey, I need you daily. Got me weak when you call me baby. I'm your freak, I can be your lady. I'm going crazy. Put it down, babe. I won't ever let you down, babe. Back it up and turn me around, babe. I just want to shake the ground, babe. It's okay, we can party today. Make your bed rock, making it sway. If you like it here, you can stay. Baby, stay. We'll be keeping it up tonight. Come and dance on me like. Do you have any TikTokers out there? Back it up, say. Come on. Daylight come with me, no wanna go home. Come and stay with me tonight. Daylight come, ladies, go get up. Daylight come and mean, yeah. Hands up, ladies and gentlemen, come on. Daylight come and mean, I wanna go home. It is so nice to perform to people instead of just to myself in the mirror. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much to everyone that's streaming in. My name is Kirrah Amosa. I'm going to be joined by some friends. These are my ladies. I will introduce them very shortly. Oh my God. COVID hasn't been kind to my stamina. DJ, let's just keep it going. This next song you can find on my EP that I released at the beginning of this year. DJ, whenever you want. It is called With Your Body. You can find it on Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, SoundCloud. I'm feeling myself tonight. Do you wanna feel too? I'm feeling this dress just right. Would you know what to do with the woman that gets this high? It's time to 1-2 step. Tired of being unsatisfied, so you're gonna learn tonight. Baby, can you hold me down? 'Cause I'm running wild tonight. You just gotta slow it down. Repeat it, don't get too excited. We can stay home or eat out. If I let you hit it, better do it right. If you want me, I'll break it down. Talk with your body, not with your mouth. Talk with your body, not with your mouth. Talk with your, hey! So talk with your body, not with your mouth. Talk with your body, not with your. If you want me, I'll break it down. Talk with your body, not with your mouth. I'm like a fire. It's getting colder, babe. We're like a choir. With all the noise we make, tired of being a liar. Getting too old to fake it. Tonight, do as you're told. Follow the map to get the goal. Hold me down. Oh, you think you can handle me? You just gotta slow it down. Are you sure that you're listening? We'll stay home or eat out. You gotta keep it interesting. If you want me, I'll break it down. Talk with your body, not with your mouth. Talk with your body, not with your. Talk with your body, not with your. Talk with your body, not with your mouth. Talk with your body, not with your. If you want me, I'll break it down. Talk with your body, not with your mouth. Boy, you've got to learn how to handle me, because I'm tired of being tired of this game. Boy, you've got to learn how to handle me. Oh, I'm tired of feeling this way. Your body, not with your mouth. If you want me, I'll break it down. Dance with me now. Any questions? Thank you. Caroline, how's my hair? There's a lot of hair flicking. This is Caroline. Please keep it up. Keep your hands together for Caroline. Hostess with the mostess, thank you. I would love to say a huge thank you to my dancers, to my Fresh Funk family and my Play Dance family. They are the reason that I'm surrounded by such gorgeous women. So thank you to those guys. Look, it's like been a really long winter, and then you suddenly decide to run a marathon and think you're gonna win. Anyway, this next song was actually my first major label placement. It was, oh, thank you. Wow. Stop, thank you. I just need to catch my breath. It's called Children of a Dream, and when we first recorded it, by we I mean me and my vocal cords, I didn't think it was gonna resonate with so many people as much as it did, and I'm so, so glad that it did. So, Children of a Dream, you can find everywhere. Come on, DJ. Every night we hide in our shell, on all the stories and fears I know you can tell, and there's no way we're turning back now. Yeah, we won't slow down, 'cause we are children of our dream. Nothing's what it seems here, but we fight, try to change the scene with no guarantees. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time we have been able to perform for you guys. So please, come and dance with us. can't deny, got something to tell. Living is risky, but worth it, so find yourself. And there's no way you're turning back now. Yeah, we won't slow down, 'cause we are children of our dream. Nothing's what it seems here, but we fight, try to change the scene with no guarantees. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't go to festivals, we can't go to festivals, so let us bring the festival to you. Come on now, dance. Shannon, Caroline, Kirrah. Oh, thank you so much. What do we have now? This next song, I also... Sorry, I can see there's a screen up here. I can just make sure. Thank you. Someone's zooming in so I can see my flower. Thank you. This next song I also released on my EP at the beginning of the year. Yes. Thank you. I know half of you know the songs because I'm related to half of you in the audience. So appreciate it so much, fam. Yeah, I did say special guests at the beginning of the show, so just keep that in mind. DJ. Anyone can touch my body, touch my soul, touch my soul. Oh. Don't think your pretty eyes could give you vision, because babe, I got more than you see. Don't mistake my silence for indecision, boy, I don't need you assuming me. I can make up my mind, I can make up my head. Do it fast or take my time, don't try to rush me there. Boys like you recycle through my hands but get nowhere, 'cause I need a man and I demand no less. So you're good with your hands now, baby. That don't make you a man, believe me. So you're good with your hands, but baby, anyone can touch my body, touch my soul, touch my soul. Oh. So you're good with your hands now, baby. Man, believe me. So you're good with your hands now, baby. Anyone can touch my body, touch my soul, touch my soul. Oh.
I'm the reverend now. I said I'm the man, you believe me now. I'm good with my hand, but don't leave me out. Hey baby, hear me out. You made up your mind, now I'm eating out. Oh, that's what you mean. I mean, I've been around. But what's that got to do with you and me? I see you getting wild. Hey. You said you like to recycle, baby, then reuse me. Ay, you spend a lot of time being choosy just to choose me. Ay, you're pretty good at looking like you want nothing to do with me. Ay, you said you look right through me. Well, do you like what you see?
So you're good with your hands now, baby. That don't make you a man, believe me. So you're good with your hands now, baby. Anyone can touch my body, touch my soul, touch my soul. So you're good with your hands now, baby. Said that don't make you, no, it don't make you a man, because I'm good with your hands, good with your hands now, baby. You can touch my body, touch my soul, touch my soul. Oh, I said anyone can touch my body, touch my soul. KP Hides, everybody. KP hides, everybody. He's just released a new single too. You can find that on Spotify and I'm assuming all major platforms. Please check him out. He's my great mate. This next song I released at the end of last year with another great mate, although he couldn't be here. So, DJ, let's just you and me do it, shall we? This is the first time I've sung it by myself, so it's 2020, we don't need no men. I can't believe how you blessed and caught my eye. Wondering if I got a man, please tell me no lie. But we'll be doing more than wondering, like loving up. So can you bring it right back? Baby boy, you know I like that, yeah. 'Cause you are my favorite flavor. I need it now and not later. Baby boy, you are the one for me. Give it sugar rush 'cause you're my ice cream, baby. Oh, you're one of a kind. That you're all mine. Now and forever, boy, my ride or die. You're the one that I need. You made just for me, with a taste so sweet. You're the one that I need, babe. And you made just for me, with a taste so sweet. Attention is something that I'm craving. You see, I always got them eyes on me. Everywhere I go, they be chasing, but I'm yours and it's plain to see. When I'm walking down the street, they be giving me love. Vanilla, chocolate, any flavor that I want. Be dripping in ice and giving me all the cream. It's so nice, it's all the taste that I need. Take me down, oh. When I don't make a sound, oh. It make me feel so nice. When it's you, I ain't gotta think twice, say. Oh, you're one of a kind. That you're all mine. Tough as ice and sweet like honey. Don't know how I got so lucky. You're the one that I needed, and you made just for me. One that I need, and you made just for me. With a taste so sweet. Yes, I like it. You're the one that I needed, and you made just for me, yeah. With a taste so sweet. I love it. You're the one that I need. Oh, and you made just for me. Yeah. Ice cream. Thank you. Thank you. I would love to take this opportunity to say thank you again. Thank you for you guys for being here. I know how easy it is to come out in Canberra winter, especially when it's raining, so I don't want to talk about it because I'll cry, but thank you so much. Thank you so much to everybody that's streaming in. What's this? Oh, this is my merch that I've released today. You can find... Thank you. I know. Like I said before, I made a goal to release some merch by the end of next year, and I made that goal about 4 or 5 months ago, so here we are. Thank you. You can find it online, you can find it on all my socials. I'll spam you for the next forever. Thank you to Tara Florence Artistry and to Leah Artistry for making us ladies feel as beautiful as we look. I do have a question, because we have an audience here and I can ask you and you can say yes. Does anyone have any ask holes in their life? You know, those people that ask you for something or ask you for advice and you give it to them and then they just do the opposite thing? Yes. Right. Or do you have another example that's very common? Do you have a TV show that asks you to go on the TV show, and then when you finally do go on the TV show, they make it out like you can't sing, or they make it out like you're a cow and you're a really horrible person. You know those people? I think the DJ knows those people. The sun is still going to come up tomorrow.
I don't feel like you're listening to any of our advice.
So you're saying that the producers came to you and said, we want you to come on the show and audition?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't realise it worked like that.
Wow. The show in itself was an incredible experience, and I don't regret a thing. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm so supported and loved by everyone that knows me and everyone that, even a lot of people that don't know me.
I have never been the one to feed into the drama. I don't need to make a scene 'cause I believe in karma. You think I'm quiet but I'm lining up to shoot it. You're so hard to swallow and your mama couldn't do it. Win isn't in. Got too much to say about the scars on my skin. You're a has-been sitting in a chair that spins, giving opinions. I ain't listening. Open invitation, know your trolls come through. Keep hating, now I'm trending 'cause of you. Something about all the facts you hardly know. Running your mouth like it's your only cardio.
Even if you don't, they'll come for ya. They'll come for ya. Even if I will it, even if I won't, they'll come for ya. They'll come for ya.
Even if you do the right thing, even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say you got nothing on me. Even if you do the right thing, even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say you got nothing on me.
You're a bigger man, huh? Woo! Especially when it ain't your jam, huh? Hey, but I've been running around in all the wrong places, all facing my reflection is tainted. My core is naked, now it's 1 step forward and 3 steps back. I keep running around in circles, falling through these cracks. My teeth gripping my tongue, no breath deep in my lung. I need nothing but the truth, but it keep leaving, I'm done. So open invitation, let my ego come through. Run amok, then bounce like deuce. Something about all the facts I hardly know. Run through my mind like it's my only cardio.
If you don't,
They'll come for ya, they'll come for ya. Even if I will it, even if I won't, they'll come for ya.
Do the right thing.
You try to cause a little drama, even if you try to fight back, go say, go say, go say you got nothing on me. Even if you do the right thing,
Go.
even if you try to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say. 'Cause I got all the love you sent to me. So let the haters be. I know the sun will still be rising tomorrow.
thank you for the love you sent to me. So let the haters be, 'cause the sun will
Still be.
shining tomorrow.
Even if you do the right thing, even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back,
Go. You got nothing on me.
even if you do the right thing,
Do the right thing.
even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say. Hey, the love you sent to me. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Haters,
from your seats, sway with me to your left, to your right, to your left, to my left, to the left. Hey, hey, go say, go say, go say you got nothing on me. COVID hug. Where did you come from?
everywhere.
This is my best friend, Citizen K. Yeah. And my ladies, Acacia and Han. Oh, so if you know me, you'll know all this. If you don't know me, I am half Samoan, and it's part of me. Yeah, woo! Sorry. It's a huge part of me and a huge part of the reason that I am where I am today. I know I wouldn't have any of this without that part of my life. So it is with great pleasure that I introduce to you 4 of the most important things in my whole life. And I wanted to try and show you where it all started for me and where I grew up and how I ended up where I am. So please make them feel welcome, my baby sisters Lani and Maya, my younger brother Ruben, and the king of the jungle, Steve. Thank you. This song is it's a traditional Samoan love song, and every time we sing this in rehearsal, we cry. So,
What happened tonight, Kirrah?
so no, don't put that out in the universe, Dad. This is where it all began for me. At home, 2 guitars, voices, love, people. So, welcome to my world. gets me every time. As I said before, in my interview, at the beginning of this year, I released an EP. Please help me. At the beginning of this year, I released an EP called Island Way. Thank you. Yeah, got it. And I'm dedicating it to my search and my journey to learn more about my heritage. I am half Australian, and I am very, very lucky, and I'm very lucky and very blessed to have the best of both worlds. So this next song, Island Way, is the title of my EP. You can find it on all platforms, and it features everything I love. DJ. Beautiful island, so tropical. I'm up on cloud nine with sky so blue. Have you ever wanted something more? So stick with me, I can make your dreams come true. So come on over, let's wind it down. Take my hand, let me lead the way. If you want to, I can take you. That you never want to leave. Come on over, baby, slow it down. Stick with me, I can show you how. If you want to, I can teach you. Wanna learn the island way. Something about them going up by the water. We know how you want it, want it. We know how to love the island way. Something about them going up by the ocean. We know how you want it, want it. We know how to keep you wanting more. You know there's something different about it. Come with me and you can live the island dream. We never go hungry around us. Love is good and I'll give you all you need. I say yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, baby, let me love you down. No one else can love you like I can. You can call on me to ease the pressure. Have you ever made love on the sand? I'll take you higher, higher than you've ever been before. If you need it, I can teach you. Wanna learn the island way. Something about them growing up by the water. We know how you want it, want it. We know how to love the island way. Something about them growing up by the ocean. We know how you want it, want it. We know how to keep you wanting more. Thank you so much. It's over. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad it's over. My team and I have worked so hard. Meng, 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 meng. Thank you. My team and I have worked so hard, my family, my dancers, my management, to put this show together for you, so I'm really grateful that you're here to watch it. A huge thank you to Live in Your Lounge for creating such a platform for artists like me who until now really had nothing. So please. This is my first single and this is my last song. Please, if you can, like I said, this is the one time that we have all had to perform this year. So there is a donation link button on the liveinyourlounge.com website. Please give what you can. Every dollar counts, but we really appreciate your love and support in such a hard time for us. So please, DJ, let's take it out. Thank you. Please put your hands together for my dad, Steve, my sister, Maya, sister, Lani. sister, my brother Ruben, my ladies Shannon, Acacia, Han, Caroline, live in your lounge, all our makeup. Let's go. You got my attention doing nothing but pretending that you wasn't even looking at me. But you know I don't wanna mention that I feel a little tension, cause you're falling too but just can't see. Maybe that won't even faze me, I'm just going a little crazy waiting for you to come over and change that. But if you can make it happen, I'll just have to work my magic, bring together you and me. Hands up! I'm falling and I can't get up. I'm falling and I need your love. Baby, you know I can't get enough of your love, your love. I'm falling and I can't get up. I'm falling and I need your love. Baby, you know I can't get enough of your love, your love. I'm falling and I can't get up. I'm falling and I need your love. Baby, you know I can't get enough of your love. You give me that kind of something, want it all the time, need it every day. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at 100, never getting off, I can stay away. If you want what I got it every day. You can get whatever you need from me. Stay by your side, I'll never leave ya. I ain't going away, cause you're a keeper. I got a bad boy, I must admit it. You got my heart, don't know how you did it. And I don't care who sees it, babe, I don't wanna hide the way I feel when you're next to me. Cause I love the way, I love the way, I love it. And baby, I love the way, ooh, I love the way. Bring my song back. Early in the morning, I'll be thinking about you. I'm falling, I'm falling. Late at night, I get lonely, I wanna be around you. I'm falling, I'm falling. Early in the morning, I'll be thinking about you. I'm falling, I'm falling. Late at night, I get lonely, I wanna be around you. I'm falling, I'm falling. See, I'm falling and I can't get up. I'm falling and I need your love. Baby, you know I can't get enough your love. Because I'm falling for you, baby. I can't get up. I'm falling and I need your love, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, live in your lounge, let me see your hands. 'Cause I just want to be around you. Early in the morning, I'll be thinking about you. I'm falling, I'm falling. Late at night, I get lonely, I wanna be around you. Thank you.
Are you enjoying Live in Your Lounge? Head to liveinyourlounge.com, hit donate and support your artists.
That was Kirrah Amosa and dancers and choreographers and management and family. Let's give a huge round of applause for such a fantastic team giving us so much. Definitely, what a performance. What detail put into the whole shape of that set. We are so lucky here at Live in Your Lounge. Let's give one last thank you both to Mickey and to Kirrah Amosa for creating such a fantastic Friday night for us here at Live in Your Lounge. Let's send clap emojis at home and studio audience. One last big round of applause for everyone who contributed to this evening. Now, it is nearly good night for our streaming audience. Thankfully, there's a little bit more for the live studio audience to enjoy. But just before I say good night to our lovely streamers, let's find out who is the winner of the competition, the ticket giveaway this week. And it is with great pleasure that I say, Mr. Oliver Ignetic, a huge congratulations to you. And we will see you here at Live in Your Lounge next week. You did a fantastic comment on that competition post, and so you win 2 free tickets to join us here next Friday night. For everyone who is streaming there at home, thank you so much for joining us. We love being able to reach everyone we can, not just in Canberra, but Australia-wide, and sometimes we have some fantastic audience from overseas as well tuning in. Remember to join us next week. We've got a brilliant lineup, and if you want to see this stream again, you can jump onto our website, liveinyourlounge.com. You can also donate there. This venture has been going and streaming for free for 5 months now throughout COVID-19. So please think about supporting this great, fantastic experiment called Live in Your Lounge. So you guys at home, as I said, it's good night for you, but thank you for joining us. Congratulations to Oliver. We will see you next week. And if you want to be one of the 50 here in person, then also on our website where I say all that information is, then you could book some tickets and come and join us. You streamers at home, please stay COVID safe between now and next week. My name is Lexi Seculas. I love hosting you guys at Live in Your Lounge. Have a very, very, very good rest of the weekend. And good night.
Next week on Live in Your Lounge, with a live studio audience, Friday, Alec Randalls and Moondog, and on Saturday, Thunder Goose and Thunder Fox.